Hi YouTubers, my name is Ngone from Anti-Cellular Tutorial, and today I have a new video. And in this video I'm going to remove or to factory reset an itel it2160 without a box. The itel is locked to a password that I don't know. So as you can see, it's saying input password. So what you need to do first is you need to select this flash file from the MTK flash tool, and then on this flash file, I need to select this flash file. So on the flash file selection, I need to make sure that you select let us check, you select CFG. So this is a CFG extension .cfg. So you need to select that CFG below here. You need to select on the files of type, and then select the CFG format .cfg format. Okay, so after that, then select format on the main screen dashboard. Select format, and when you select format, you don't need to flash the whole phone. What you need is just to select format. So this flash tool allows you to factory reset the phone. So it's called flash to reset to factory default. So don't backup anything. These two works perfectly without doing any backup. So you just need to select the reset to factory default. So reset to factory default, and press the star button. So you need to press the star button. So is the boot key after you have switched off the phone. So you need to press the star button. That's the star button. That's the boot key for that phone. So press the star button and connect it to a normal USB cable. So you need to connect just to a normal USB cable while the phone is switched off, and then you press the download. And after that, the phone, boom, is done. We have successfully removed the password. So this is only for removing this small phone password. So it works perfectly. It is actually the best tool out there that is free. So thank you very much guys for watching my tutorial. As you can see, the phone has been successfully unlocked, and I am now inside the phone. So thank you very much for watching my tutorials, and please don't forget to subscribe so that I also make something out of these videos that I am making. So thank you very much guys for watching my tutorial, and I will meet in the next tutorial. So as usual, these videos are not movies. They are videos for cell phone repairs and tutorials for those who are into cell phone repairing industry. And so I don't make them like movies. I don't have all those tools. I'm actually a cell phone repair. Um, so please guys, if the graphics is not quite good for you, I'm very sorry about that. But with time, I'll have to improve. Uh, I will have to improve and do better things. So thank you very much guys for watching my tutorials. We'll meet in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.